Friend, good morning. This is 4 lecture related chapter 6. So in this chapter, now what today's topic is Pythagoras triplet. Generally Pythagoras is a great mathematician or philosopher. So Pythagoras triplet, what is the meaning of triplet? Triplet means 3. Generally triplet means 3. So whenever triplets are there and it is with the Pythagoras. So actually here 3 terms are there, and if we add 3 terms are there, and if we add, then we can say it's a triplet. Here we can say 3 square plus 4 square. Actually it's a power 2. Here again power 2, here power 2. 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16. So it is 25, that is 5 square. 3 square plus 4 square is equal to 5 square. It is called triplet. So which are the triplet terms are there? We can say 3, 4 and 5 are triplet. Again I am explaining here. 3 square plus 4 square is equal to 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16. So total is 25. It is also a square of 5. But it means it is not necessary that every time they are in form of sequence. Unfortunately, here they are in form of sequence. So first Pythagoras triplet is 3 square plus 4 square, 5 square. In 9th standard already we have again explained this. There is a one right angle triangle. Here this is the 2 side and here it is 5. So now we want to go deeply related it. So first I rub this over everything. Just you have to understand that triplet means 3 terms. They are in form of square. Sum of first 2 terms square is equal to third term. There are 3 terms. First 2 terms square is equal to the third term. That is our target. So if you will see, I am writing at here more triplets because it should be helpful in 8 or in 9th and 10th. So again, here it is 3 square, here power is 2, here power is 2, the power 2, here it is not 2 at here. Again here 2 at here, 3 the power 2, 4 the power 2. So it is a collection of number 3, 4, 5 are called Pythagoras triplet. Another is 6, 8 and 10. So here it is 6 the power 2. Again 8 the power 2. 6 square is 36. Don't write 6 2s are 12. 6 square is 36. 8 square is 64. 36 plus 64, 100 is equal to 10 square. Is equal to 10 square. Same thing at here 5 square. So again next 3 triplets are, first 3 triplets are 3, 4, 5. Next is 6, 8 and 10. One more observation at here. 5 the power 2, 5 the power 2, 12 the power 2, 5 the power 2, 25, 12 the power 2, 144, 25 plus 144, 169. 169 is a square of 13 square. So again 5, 12 and 30 is another triplet. So 3 triplet we have discussed, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 5, 12, 13. 3 triplets are here. So we can find more triplet related it. So there is a one formula to find out it. So that we want to explain it. So before it they have explained what is the meaning of Pythagoras triplets, and triplets means was 3 terms are there, first 2 terms square is equal to the third term. Now next. So now we have to find out. Write the Pythagoras triplet whose smallest term is 8. So now we have to find out other 2 terms. 8 is the smallest term, we have to find out other 2 terms. So now formula is related to m square minus 1, m square plus 1. Simple, remember 2m is equal to, I have to write 8. So m is equal to 4. Now I have to put m square minus 1, m square plus 1. So 4 square minus 1, 16, 4 square is 16 minus 1, that is 15. And 4 square plus 1, 14 square, 16 plus 1, 17. So 8, 15 and 17. 8 is the smallest term. So it depends how we are finding. Now if here you will see that one example that 6, 8, 10 also we can find out by this. M square minus 1 is equal to 8. So m square is equal to 9. So m is equal to 3. Now if I will write that 3, then 2 into 3, that is 6. So here it is 6, 8 and 10. But we have to write the smallest. 8 is the smallest. So 15 and 17 are the triplet. How we can find out? Just put again 2m is equal to 8. So m is equal to 4. And then we have to m square plus 1, m square minus 1. So one more slide if we will see, then we can understand better. See now. Whose one number is told. Here not given smallest. Only one number is given. So just always remember 2m. If it is even number, always divided by 2. So m is equal to 6. Now formula is m square plus 1, m square minus 1. M square means 6 square plus 1. So 37. M square minus 1. So 36 minus 1, 35. So 12, 35 and 37 is a triplet. So formula important, remember always 2m, m square plus 1 and m square minus 1. One more sum I am explaining now. Find the Pythagoras triplet whose one of the term is 6. So here 6 is given. So what I have to write first? 2m is equal to 6. Therefore, m is equal to 6 divided by 2. Therefore, m is equal to 3. Now m square plus 1. So 3 square plus 1. So 9 plus 1, 10. M square minus 1. So 3 square minus 1. So 9 minus 1, that is 8. So 6, 8 and 10 are the triplet. 6, 8 and 10 are the triplet. Someone says, sir, can we write m square minus 1, m square plus 1? But m square minus 1 is equal to 6, then m square is not possible. So this is the first sum. Second sum again. Always remember 2m is equal to 14. So we can say m is equal to 7. Now m square plus 1. So 7 square plus 1. And m square minus 1. So 7 square minus 1. So 49 plus 1, that is 50. 49 minus 1, that is 48. So 7, 48 and 50. Now if we will see that 50 square 2500, 48 square and 7 square, we will plus it. 7 square is 49, 48 square 64, 16, cross multiplication 32, 32, 64. So 0, 10, 3, 2. Again 4 for 16, 8 8 64 for 16, 32 32, 8 for 32, 64. So 4, here it is 4, 10, carry 1, 2 3 0, 4. So through 3 0, 4. So 2 3 0, 4, and here it is 14, sorry. 14 square is 14 is there. So 14 is there. So 14 square is 196. So 2304 and 196 is equal to 2500. Means our answer is correct. One more sums. what we have to do now? First we have to erase this, and one more sum is there. So when I am explaining everything, you have always take a rough book with you, and I am explaining on that time you have to write, and then you have to submit the these topic related question and answer in classroom, Google Classroom. So now two sums are there. That is, one is 16, another is 18. So what is the meaning of 16 difference? So 16 is related with the, so if you will divide it, we can get 8. So 8 square is 64, 64 minus 1. If you will see that, two m is equal to 16. Therefore, m is equal to 8. Now, m square plus 1. So, 8 square plus 1. So, 64 plus 1, that is 65. M square minus 1. So, 8 square plus 1. So, 64 minus 1, that is 63. So, 8, 63 and 65. These are all the reference triplet. Now we are 18. So 2m is equal to 18. So m is equal to 9. So triplets are here 18, 18, 63 and 65. 16, so here it is, sorry, 16 is triplet. Same thing, 2m is equal to 18, m is equal to 9. So now 9 square minus 1 and 9 square plus 1. So 9 square, that is 81 minus 1, that is 80. 81 plus 1, that is 82. So 18, 80 and 82. Anyhow, you have to complete your in fair book. Now topic is related with the square root. Generally we are discussing about the square. Now we are discussing about the square root. So formula first of area of square is equal to 144. Everyone know this. Square means what? All four sides are equal. We can say A side is A and A. So area of square formula is A square is equal to 144. That is why how we are writing A is equal to under root 144. Now we have to make a prime factor of 144. Same way we continue up to the prime factor. So now A is equal to, that is sides. Find the length of the side. So that is side. A is equal to under root 144 means what? 2 square, again 2 square, again 3 square. So when under root is removed, 2 into 2 into 3, that is 12. So area of side is equal to 12 centimeter. So this is related with the square root. Here 12, here it is 12, here it is 12, and here it is 12. So we know that the area of square is equal to side square. Here the power is 2 we have to write. If we assume the length of the side is A, then I have to write A square is equal to 144. But if this square is removed, then we have to write A is equal to under root 144. So now important topic is the square and square root. See now, find the square root, inverse operation of addition in subtraction and inverse operation of multiplication is divisible. So finding the square of inverse operation, we are doing the divisible. See now, 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9. So I can write square root of 4. Square root of 4 is 2. Square root of 9 is 3. So square root of 121 is 11. Square root of 196 is 14. But how it is possible? Then we can say 11 square is equal to 11. Here we can say 14 square is equal to 14. So that is a fine square root. Now prime factorization method we are doing. So important, you have to write this way. 1 square 1, so it is called inverse proportion. Under root 4, 2. Under root 9, 3. Under root 16, 4. Under root 25, 5. Under root 36, 6. Under root 49, 7. Under root 64, 8. Under root 81, 9. Under root 100, 10. So one question is there, 324. So how can it is possible 324? Again divided by 2, 162. So if you don't know, you have to divide it 324 divided by 2 ones are 2, 1 2, 2 6 are 12, and 4 2 are again divided by 2, so we can 81. Again divided by, now 81 is not divided by 2, so we can say 3, so we can say 27. Again 3 divide, we can say 9. Again 3 divide, we can say 3. So now 2 square, so what I have to write? 324 under root is equal to under root 2 square 3 square into 3 square. So here 2 into 3 into 3. So answer is 18. So this is an important exercise or important sums you have to do in your book and book also. Now one more question, 6400. So again continuously divided by 2. Make a pair of it. What we have to do? Make a pair of it. So one pair, second pair, third pair, fourth pair and fifth pair. So 5 pair is there. So 2 square, again 2 square, again 2 square, again 2 square, again 5 square, and I have to write under root. So when root is come outside, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. So 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16, 5 are 80. One more question we can explain now. So 729, 400, 179. You have to try it yourself. I am doing only one. So 1764. So I have to start from 2. 2 8 is 16. 2 8 is 16. 2 2 is 4. Again 2. 4 4 1. Now it is divided by 3 because 4 plus 4 8 plus 1 9 divided by 3. So 4 1 are 3 1 are 3. 3 4 are 12. 3 7 are. Again we can do it by 3. 3 4 are 12. 3 9 are. Again divided by 7. Divided by 7 is equal to 1. So what I have to write? Under root 1764 is equal to under root 2 square into 3 square into 7 square. So 2 into 3 into 7. So 6 7 ja, 3 2 ja 6.